very tricky to know that a friend is a therapist. So, Aisha, tell me more about your personal journey. Like, how and why did you choose to be a therapist?
So, it's very strange, Mandana, because I was thinking about it, and actually, it started off as starting to watching, movies about serial killers.
Oh my God!
It's different, people say कि वो helping और ये वो. तो वो मुझे शुरू में ना it started really developing an interest.
Curiosity.
Curiosity and interest. How can somebody do this? इतनी पर्सनालिटी कैसे होगी, इतनी क्रूरटी कैसे आ सकती है. इतना ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट था कि फिर पहले मैंने did an MSc in clinical psychology, and somehow the natural progression came, and I started moving towards counseling and therapy. That every day maybe issues होते हैं. Sometimes the patterns or coping skills that we have developed that are no longer beneficial for us, in fact harmful for us. तो वो कैसे ठीक हो सकती है. अपना I learned a lot about myself also. And फिर उसके साथ साथ एक naturally interest in what shapes a personality, empathy for people, empathy for their problems, compassion. So, I actually love this profession. I think I won't do anything else.
Wow. So, okay, so tell me about what does a psychotherapist do? Like, what are the layers involved in this process?
So psychotherapy, basically it's also called talk therapy. ठीक है. हम we talk to a trained mental health professional. We are a trained mental health professional, and through talking, through conversation, we identify any distorted patterns, coping skills, any emotional issues that you have. Sometimes, okay, it seems like a normal conversation to our client. मगर वो actually it's beyond a normal conversation because we have been trained how to be with certain people. It's different from counseling. We've been trained कि ये trigger points है, यहाँ पे trigger करना है किसी को, किसी के अंदर कुछ लाने के लिए, यहाँ पे कुछ रोकना है. So it entails more than what seems like just a conversation to the other person or the third party.
So right now we might get into therapy and get into some weird shit. Okay, so Aisha, tell me, घर वाले ऐसा फील करते हैं कि हर वक्त तुम थेरेपी कर रही हो?
Actually, जब शुरू में मैंने किया था तो I kind of I think had to stop myself from always thinking people from that point of view, even my friends. So वो मुझे अपने आप को compartmentalize करना पड़ा था कि इधर मैं थेरेपिस्ट नहीं हूँ, इधर I'm just but मेरे बच्चे कहते हैं अगर बच्चों को डांट रही है कुछ, मामा what kind of a therapist are you? So वो चीज सुनने को मिल जाती है आपको, but otherwise I've compartmentalized. But एक natural आपकी जो inclination, आप as a therapist तो आप होते हो, आपकी learning education होती है, but I think as आप थेरेपी रोल में भी एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग तो होते हो ना, आपकी पर्सनालिटी तो आ जाती है.
So actually first you have to experience how to go through it yourself and then learn it and then apply it on people and observe them and understand them, and then you have to unlearn the whole thing कि ये घर वालों के साथ नहीं करना, ऐसे नहीं behave करना. So yeah, I can understand. अच्छा, what mental health challenges do you see often?
हमारे जो मुल्क में मैंने कई चीज़ें देखी हैं, सिंस मैंने क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी में भी एमएससी किया, इट्स अ बिट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम काउंसलिंग. They actually are real personality disorders. Some terms have been started, people have started using very frivolously, like, oh, ये तो narcissistic है, oh, ये तो bipolar है. These are very serious issues. Depression, anxiety is actually even more common than depression. There's a lot of anxiety. Childhood से भी बहुत issues आ रहे होते हैं. So basic, very simple problems like anxiety, depression, जिन्हें हम simple कहेंगे अपनी तरफ से, but the way they affect people and their relationships is very hard on them.
Okay, so tell me more about when you say कि ये terms बहुत commonly use होते हैं कि, but it's a big thing कि आप narcissist किसी को कह रहे हैं या आप किसी को bipolar कह रहे हैं. So how do you define it? What are the symptoms that can identify, if we may give the exposure to the audience कि या अगर आप ये behaviors देख रहे हैं तो depression है, अगर आप ये behaviors देख रहे हैं तो बाइपोलर है, व्हाट एज अ
तो थोड़ा सा मंदाना इसमें मैं ये भी करूँगी कि क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी को थोड़ा सेपरेट करूँगी फ्रॉम थेरेपी. I mostly do practice towards the counseling and therapeutic side. Clinical psychology is just in my mind because मैंने education दी हुई है तो मुझे थोड़ा idea, I've studied it, idea है. जो narcissism या bipolar वगैरह होता है, they have a very set वे ऑफ बिहेवियर जो कि एक्चुअली एक DSM-5 अब तो आगे आगे होंगी बुक है जिसमें लिखे होते हैं, दे कैरेक्टराइज्ड एंड दे वेरी वेरी एग्जैजरेटेड. तो जो लोग साथ रह रहे होते हैं उनके usually kind of unless even if they don't know what therapy is or what this is, they have a very hard time. बाहर के लोगों को they might appear to be very charming और कोई इशू नहीं नजर आएगा. तो उनके एक सेट ऑफ बिहेवियर्स होते हैं कि बहुत सिंपल टर्म्स में मैं आपको करूं बात तो इट्स वेरी रिजिड डिसफंक्शनल बिहेवियर दैट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू चेंज.